Pasting.
Muted.
हो गया, चल गया।
ट्रांसफर किया है
सुपर एरियाज,
सुपर एरिया
सॉरी
कैपिटल वर्क तो नहीं है कोई?
नहीं 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 नहीं।
अस्सलामुअलैकुम।
हाँ भजन क्या चल है?
बस सीटा का सुना है।
ठीक ठाक A1।
चेंजेस हो गई यहाँ पे।
हाँ जी, मैं जरा थोड़ा सा बिजनेस का डिफरेंट साइड संभाल रहा हूँ,
अच्छा अच्छा।
तो अब जरा जुनैद भाई फ्रंट तो काफी अच्छा है ना, चीजें बदल गई।
क्या माशाल्लाह।
नो प्रॉब्लम, आप आए बैठे।
और सुना है
दुआएं 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 दुआएं। ऑलराइट।
बाल भी है
है नहीं नहीं, अब मैंने डाई भी नहीं कराया क्योंकि अब मैंने पब्लिक इमेज में नहीं हो ना, तो मैंने क्या कराने डाई करा के।
मगर ये स्मार्ट लग रहे हैं।
ये तो आपकी थिंकिंग। तो मैंने कहा गाड़ी बेचनी हो कुछ हो तो ये है, कार वॉश के बगैर ये होता है।
सही बात।
तो ये चक्कर। और सुनाए?
बस अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
गुड गुड टू सी।
वहाँ पे जुनैद भाई बैठे
जुनैद
थे,
भाई,
मजीद भाई।
हाँ मैं यहाँ, मैं बिल्कुल ना बैक एंड संभाल रहा हूँ बिजनेस, लॉजिस्टिक्स। देखिए 8 मेंटर हैं, उनको संभालना, बैक एंड ऑफ द बिजनेस जो जिसकी ज़्यादा ज़रूरत थी, फंडेड का, अकाउंट्स का। सो या
और अरे यार आपको तो यार क्या हाल है भाई? यार आपसे तो कितने साल हो गए मुलाकात हुए हुए। और सुना याद रहता हूँ, कभी इधर रहता हूँ, कभी इधर रहता हूँ। 2017 में मुलाकात हुई थी आपसे। हाँ जी। आपका नाम भूल गया। हाँ
अवैस भाई, यस सब है।
मैं कहीं पे कहा मैंने कहा अच्छा आप सारे मिले। हाँ हाँ नहीं नहीं, जब आप आते थे हम भी आते थे, कितना उस टाइम। सब ठीक है अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। कैसा चल रहा है आपका? चले माशाल्लाह अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह सब ठीक है। बहुत टाइम हो गया यहाँ पे यहाँ पे भी विल लाइफ में। वैसे राफे भाई ने उठा लिया है
सिस्टम चेंज किया।
इतना सिस्टम तो यूं जो रॉकेट है ना, रॉकेट
अभी एक दो चीज़ें और बड़ी आ रही हैं लाइक अभी, क्योंकि एक जो बड़े प्रोजेक्ट पे मैं काम कर रहा हूँ ना, मेंटर सामने बैठा है, जब आपको सिखाने के लिए कि मिड बैंड क्या है या एरिया कैसे ट्रेड करना है, तो वो जब क्लिक करेंगे आपका ट्रेड खुद ही हो जाएगा सामने।
अच्छा मतलब उनको फॉलो करेंगे?
फॉलो नहीं, मतलब आपका सिग्नल भी मिलेगा कंप्यूटर टू कंप्यूटर।
अच्छा सिग्नल मिलेगा या उनके साथ वो
अटैच हो जाएगा ना, तो आपका वो सिम पे कर रहे हैं,
कुछ नहीं करना पड़ेगा,
आपने सिर्फ देखना है ना। अगर वो आप क्लास ले रहे हैं और सिखा रहे हैं कि मिड बैंड ट्रेड क्या होता है, तो वो
बेसिकली कॉपी हो जाएगा।
हाँ, लेकिन सिखाने के लिए डिस्क्लेमर बार बार डाल देता हूँ। Okay. All right. Is my audio okay? Sorry, guys. I'm a little bit, because of October 1st, the meetings change quite a few. Always the first day of the month is slightly a little bit hectic because a lot of subscriptions are being renewed and things don't work as so. Daniel's brief is going to start soon too. If I can get an audio check, I know Daniel's brief is going to. बैठे सर, इधर बैठे हैं, माजिद भाई के पास बैठे हैं, जिधर जिधर मर्जी बैठे हैं. मैं लाइव स्ट्रीम पे जाता हूँ, तो इधर से भी जा रहा हूँ. No video, what's going on? The live stream, how come there's no video? I can see the audio. No video, why? Yes, Telegram. Audio is good on Telegram. What's going on? But no video on Telegram. What does this mean? Yeah, I'm broadcasting video. Like it's 67 videos there. Yeah, so thank you. Video is good. Anybody who took, all right, good morning, everybody. Before Daniel's quick brief, welcome, Wednesday, October 1st, 9:25 a.m. Eastern. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to superareas.com, win lifetime in person as well as online. Thank you. October 1st, what is anything I say is not financial advice, just for informational, educational. 8:15 non-farm. News is bad. ISM at 10 o'clock, so that is news. If you took gold at expected R high and extreme high, you're already done, by the way. So you're already done the trade. I've got so many. I couldn't take the trade because I kind of missed it. I was working on a couple of other things. But if you are done, you are done already. So anyway, what we will, let's look at Daniel's brief shortly, and then we'll get started. So gold trade already done. Gold is now at a new expected, like newer higher high, and that number now is gone to 39.20. Let me double check. 39.23, almost 22. So let me change that to another $20 push to gold up. Things should come down. The American government shutdown problem, this and that, 39.23. So if you took a trade last night, you're literally done. Just come in. I didn't. Actually, I shouldn't say that. I took like a $50 trade on all accounts on per dia. So just sorry, yeah, no. So सोफे पे आ जाए ये तो इस तरह. Okay. Zoom, yeah, I know you guys can't listen. Just give me for Zoom a little bit time because I'm fixing some stuff on Zoom. The Zoom mic is. Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. Namaskar. Hello, guys. Microphone check, guys. Good morning, Vikas. Jagdeep ji, good morning. Vikram ji, good morning. Rizwan, Mohsen, Clifford ji, good morning. Majid, Samir, good morning. Manish, good morning. Preet ji, Mukund ji, good morning. Inder, good morning, G, everybody. Quick review from a disclaimer, guys. All material and posting on our web service or on our training floor not attended as trading advice. They're just meant to enhance your trading decision, but not make it for you. And we take no responsibility for any profit or loss. You're solely responsible for all your actions. And don't do what you think and do what you see, guys. And always place your stops and always ready to accept those losses. And do what you see, don't do what you think, and treat this market the very first day you trade. And all the areas we have on our superareas.com or on our flow charts are not buy and sell offer or buy and sell areas.
These are just for information and educational purposes only, and we take no responsibility at all for any action taken by any subscriber. Today, below PP, NASDAQ, S&P Dow below PP, Russell 2000 was above PP, and Russell 2000 is just going opposite of these markets, but eventually it will come back down. Like right now, while I'm talking, it came down below PP from R2 area. From R2, it just came down right now. S&P 500, best is high to go low. Today, U.S. government shut down, and we don't know how many days it will shut down. Previously, if you remember, December 18, 35 days, they shut down the government, and they can't pay the bills. That's a very simple, and they can't pay the federal bills, and that's why Trump shut down the government. It will impact the market. I'm expecting a push to the downside, but high to go low would be a good strategy. So 67.35 to 45 is high for S&P 500. Low for S&P 500, 66.70 to 57, and NASDAQ high is 24,920 to 25,000 sharp, and low is 24,550 to 470. Low should be tested tonight. Low should be tested. I don't know when, but it should be tested today. And then we have our Bitcoin, crazy going up. Bitcoin is banana today, and a very, very strong push to the upside. Dow is up, Russell 2000 up. Exactly, it's up above PP, just came down, kissed PP and bounced back up. 312 points push to the upside on our Dow, 82% push that we had yesterday after R1 hit R1 somewhere around 5 o'clock, and continuously came down 382 and 312 push to the upside. S&P 53 points push, 63 points push to the downside, and right now 55%. NASDAQ 280, so it should be 75%, at least 75%, 62 to 75. It reached to our red box. As we see a red box on our NASDAQ, and S&P is not at red box, very close to the red box area, and that's where the resistance is. High to go low would be a best strategy for us. Go with the flow, green midband to go up, magenta to go down. But overall, right now, the market that is crazy going up is against U.S. any market, because government shut down, U.S. dollar is weak, and all other things, those are against the currency, will go up. Look at the Bitcoin. Look at the British pound. Expected high for the day, done. 100% hit our expected high, 35.20. And right now at our expected high for the day, Euro is also pushing up. I don't think so. British pound will stop somewhere. It's keep going up because of the U.S. shutdown. Euro is up at R1 area, but not break the high that we had in European session. As soon as it started, pushed to the upside and came down, and now it's almost recovering everything to the upside. The bad happening to a currency that is our currency, Canadian dollar, 4-month low. So right now, sitting below PP, trying to push up, even in a bad situation against US. It should go up, but it's not going much up because we are fully related to US, because we fully depend on our neighbor. CL is keep going down at our expected low for the day right now. If you see at our expected low for the day, and S2 area, it came down $1.62. In these days, even a tiny push to the upside. If you remember yesterday, it bounced back after 9 o'clock from our expected low, 99 cents push to the upside, and then it gives back everything after hours, and then nighttime we have this big dip to the downside. $1.62 and at our expected low for the day. I think crude oil, our low for the day is done. FDAX hit our expected high for the day, again against USD. FDAX definitely has to go up. Actually, European session, if you look at the FDAX, Euro session was down, and after 5 o'clock, we see this push to the upside. Gold is crazy, 39.2270 cents, $42, a tiny push. I'm talking about after 3 a.m. Overall, it went up almost $122, almost $25 push to the upside from swing low after 5 a.m. yesterday. And gold is base is up. It should come down from the high, but I don't think so. I would say go short, but best is let it drop out from 240, only go long on the gold, never go short. And that's what the strategy is for successful people. And people, they're long, they're really enjoying this thing. Hit expected high, get out even 20 point, 30 point, 50 points, push to the downside, retracement, again go up because gold, we were expecting 5,000, 5,000 long term, but 4,000 short term before even December. We'll see it will hit 4,000 area, and it's very close. Actually, it went faster than what we were expecting. Copper right now, whole night, it just stay above and below the value area. I mean, it was just filling the value area and PP. And right now, if you see, it's below PP, but it's in doldrum. It's not giving us any direction. Whole night it was in doldrum and no range at all. So I would say stay away. I either let it hit expected high or low, then you can pick the copper. Silver is up. Silver went up yesterday, $1.86. Retraced back down almost 50%. And right now at higher, close to yesterday high area and trying to test our expected high for the day. And natural gas went up yesterday, went to our expected high for the day. If you see today, it's exactly at our expected high for the day yesterday. And that's where it's coming down. Natural gas went up 15 cents. And right now, it just 1.5 hour, it very close to our night low. Night low is at $3.43, $3.34. I would say $3.34, and that should be tested right now. Bitcoin, I explained you earlier, it's crazy going up. Yesterday went up 65.25 and now 44.50, 4,450 just after 7 a.m. yesterday swing high. Very strong push to the upside, and it's pushing up. Ethereum has more room, guys. Ethereum has big room to the upside. Ethereum hit our expected high for the day today. 5 o'clock, if you see, it was at PP, and it just shoot to the upside, 41.73, and it went to 43.60. Huge push in one day, $241.50. And Ethereum still has a big room to the upside because Ethereum, somewhere 5,000, I'm expecting 5,000 US. Today it hit our 6,000 Canadian. So if it hit 5,000, beautiful push to the upside on Ethereum. And then, guys, we have news, especially 10 o'clock, we have ISM manufacturing PMI and ISM manufacturing price and construction spending at 10 o'clock. That's tentative, but around maybe 10:03, 10:04, you'll get that. Crude oil inventories at 10:30. Non-farm employment change, not good. It's really bad. It's very, very bad. Minus 32K in minus. I don't think so. These numbers are right. And I don't think so we'll get Friday numbers because if government shut down, there's no data for employment on our Friday. Just try to be very careful because if they're not giving us data, just be careful. At 9:45, I have our final manufacturing PMI. just 6 more minutes, and we'll see final manufacturing PMI. Please, guys, take the areas. If you have any question, you can call me or you can text me. I will be here.
All right, guys, if you took, while this was happening, the 841, if you took 840, you're done. R1 on NASDAQ is done. So while Daniel was giving his brief, R1 is done. There you go. Number two, if you're using Perdia, go to Perdia's site and make sure you get your things done. Update your data on Perdia's website. Price is inside R1 and R1 is officially done, and your price is inside R2 of ES. ES R1 upper range gave us something 67.20 to 67.16, and then now we are in 27 zone of, so just saying. Because NASDAQ is climbing higher and higher. So here. So price is inside R1. If you took R1, you're literally done. So anyway. Because I think they're just gone to hit some stop losses. So R1 now officially. So the red boxes were there. If you sold from 840, 841, red boxes के अंदर हो गया, इंटरनेट चल गया ना. ये देखिए बिल्कुल रेड बॉक्स के टॉप्स हैं. नहीं अभी पीपी से नीचे गिर जाना है इसने. ये पीपी सपोर्ट नहीं बननी. बहुत है. नहीं अभी वेट ही करना है, लेकिन पीपी पे सपोर्ट नहीं लेनी. हाँ, so next news is coming, big news. ऊपर की तरफ ऊपर यानी हाँ. So next news is coming at 10 o'clock. First final manufacturing is coming, so just wait, guys, wait. If you're done your trade, you're done your trade. Hold on from our.
Now waiting for Russell. Yeah, Russell, you see R1.
So R2 officially done. 27 came down to 24 upper range. I hope somebody's done from R1 NASDAQ, because I couldn't take that trade. because the area came, boxes were there. Another mid-band touched. R2 area is done too. There you go. Somebody is done from R1. Got a message. Good morning. So wait for news. So 1 minute, we got another news coming. Still in that trade? You went to short. It gave you some money. To almost came to PP, but let's see.
Dow and Russell.
From 840. All right, news is here.
1, 2, 3, 4. If it came one direction, it killed you.
Yes.
That's not rating, but you.
Wait, let it calm down, guys. 9:45 news is here. But don't have to rush instantly. Just step back and take a look. All right, pulled out. Harry bhai, अगर आप trade में हैं तो you have an opportunity to exit. Got out. Congratulations, G. Good. Wait, let it live because 10 o'clock is pretty powerful. Wait. 10 o'clock is powerful. Don't mess it up. Beautiful. Everybody got 10 points. Congratulations, though. All right, ISM, is it below 50? It's so one is final manufacturing came same previous forecast. Now we have 10 o'clock news in about 14 minutes. So be ready, guy. So anybody who's sending me, either you got a 0 or 20 points, you're done. Wait. Just hold your horses, please. I know everybody's excited to trade, but just wait. Let over the 10 o'clock news, man. I know it's so much fun. You take your first trade, price opens at R2. What else you're supposed to do? This is like, I know it's the rush is there. Adrenaline is blowing, like it's pumping. But wait, man, wait. Because I want to see what happens. Which way is it gonna take? Somewhere around. जाएं मैं कह रहा हूँ 0 पे ले जाएं और मैंने तो ES को शॉर्ट किया था 27 से शॉर्ट कर दिया था क्योंकि ES R2 का अपर बाउंड है यार यहाँ से नहीं लेना तो कहाँ से लेना मैं जितने में मैंने अकाउंट खोला वो ES का R2 हो गया PP नहीं रोकना अभी PP ने डिसाइड करना है आज आपको माइक पहना ही देना मैंने आज माइक भी पहन के बात करें ताकि मेरे लोगों को आपके मेरे चले वो कहते हैं जी मैंने माइक नहीं लगाना it's okay so PP it's okay if you took 820 you got out 20 points 840 you got out look at those red boxes on 30 minutes and 60 minutes they're screaming to tell you you can take a trade Fibonacci retracements are power. If your data is running late, if you have Apex, talk to them. Trade of it is having a lot of problems. It's not us. It's the trade of it. With Perdia, you can beautiful. मैं सेल में हूँ जी।
500 बन गए,
बन गया 500, बंद कर दें जी। नहीं नहीं बिशक जाए, 500 बन गया सर। सर रोक दें, 800 बन गया, रोक दें। मेरी जॉब ये है, आपको रोकना है बस। 800 वापस नहीं करने, वेट कर लें, थोड़ा वेट कर लें। हो गया ना 800, बस रोक दें। 800 बेशक जाए, मैं कहता हूँ जमीन पे बाहर आ जाए।
कम से कम $3,000
यार ना बना, 3000 आज ही बनाने हैं, कल आएगी दुनिया। यार बेशक जाए यार, बेशक जाए, अपना लॉट कम कर दें, माइक्रो में आ जाए, सिम पे आ जाए, डन। जो मर्जी करे सो करे। वो देखें बस। नहीं बेशक जाए, मैं ये कह रहा हूँ लॉक तो करते जाएं, एटलीस्ट लॉक कर रहे हैं, ट्रेल तो करते जाएं। ठीक है न्यूज बुरी आई है, गिर गई है, मैं भी लॉक कर लें यार एटलीस्ट। वो देखें S1 से वहां से गिरी है, और बेशक आ जाए, बेशक और देखें मजा आया ना। बेशक लॉक करते जाएं। 3
बता रहे हैं ना वो,
मेरे को
इतना जबरदस्त सॉफ्टवेयर है।
नहीं, लेकिन मैं सिर्फ ये कह रहा हूँ लॉक करते जाएं। मेरी बहस यही होती है कि भाई अब रुक जाए, ठीक है। अब वो देखे ना रिवर्स थोड़ा सा आया, एग्जैक्ट, थोड़ा थोड़ा लॉक करते जाए,
जाएगी नीचे
बेशक जाए। मैं ये कह रहा हूँ यहाँ से वो ठीक है, लेकिन एटलीस्ट 10 टिक्स बिहाइंड आते जाए ना, कुछ पीछे आए। मैं FTMO पे शॉर्ट था, अब निकला हूँ आके, क्योंकि PP ने कुछ सपोर्ट नहीं बनना था। और देखें S1 से बाउंस कर गई 730 से, एरिया टू एरिया चली है 950 and we are done. If you're not done, fear of missing out, you're still confused, तो आपका लॉक तो था, आप निकल गए, ठीक है ठीक। So wait for ES to go to 21 at least, back to 21. Look, R1 to, and because news is coming, I know everybody's excited. It is, government of US is shut down. All of you guys know the price is gonna go. Non-farm is bad, but just wait, wait, wait. Wait for 10 o'clock. Please wait. All I can do is beg for you guys to wait. वो सामने बैठे हैं, 500 पे नहीं बंद किया। Another mid band worked, guys. 2 points from the mid band for those scalping. See, look at Avas bhai. He came in. He's just observing. Doesn't he's still observing कि market को कोई
हम भी ऑब्जर्व भी कर रहे हैं।
नहीं, साथ आप तो जब गिर रही हो ना, आप सिर्फ अपना ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप लॉस उठाएं, उसको साथ साथ खींचते जाए। 10 टिक्स ES में पीछे आते रहे और 10 पॉइंट नैस्डैक में पीछे आते रहे, बस। अब जिसने R1 लिया और बॉक्सेस लिया, उसका तो हफ्ता पूरा हो गया ना। बेशक माइक्रो में लिया, अब मैंने 2 माइक्रो लिए थे 27 से, ठीक है। वो गिरनी शुरू हुई, नो प्रॉपर्टी में न्यूज में ट्रेडिंग अलाउड है, ठीक है, वो अलाउ करते हैं। तो ये देखें 2 पावर की माइक्रो कितनी है, $141, राइट। 81 divided by 10, almost 14 points I got out of it. 27 minus, yes. Okay, so if you missed it, you got out, exit, just wait. We got 8 more minutes before this goes a little bit more wild. So I can't give you, if you want to sell, wait for price to go to 24,950 or higher. That's my number. My number, I'm picking up expected high 950 or higher. Give me a second. Exactly. R2 is done. R1 is done. Mid bands are done. I love news days. Things just get to be done quicker. So the first stop could be 24,975 is a good, reasonable number for my opinion. Again, it's not buy and sell offers. I'm just saying, personally speaking, 24,975. Okay, let me also tell you where these numbers are coming in. Go on 240 chart and take a look at a green line that's going through, which is the previous high, lower high. This is what we were waiting for. Now you have and it should make a lower low soon, but 24,975 is the previous lower high. So if you want to go high to low, expected high, this is reasonable. But I will let you guys know after 10 o'clock, nothing before. ES is back up. Let the gold go above 25. So for those looking for gold, look for previous today's area for gold. You are, see, it came in so late, couldn't even do my areas for my personal nights, highs and lows. I gotta fill those in, otherwise base is up, base is down, pressure is up. Strike price 660. ADP और सर सारे डन है। आप ना हर एक को निकाल दिया। मजाक करो,
जिन लोगों ने कहा मैंने उनसे कहा मैंने
हाँ सर पूरे 10 बजे बड़ी न्यूज आनी है। ये भाईजान माशाल्लाह डन है $800, लेकिन
भाई ये
रुक जाए, नहीं रुक जाए बस रुक। सर ये वेटरन ट्रेडर्स।
वही मैं क्या था 2018 में उनको देखा था कब आए।
नहीं ये पहले गया तो कब आएगा पहले,
लेकिन ये फंडेड ने गेम बदल दी ना, अपसाइड डाउन। If you are doing evaluation, you can 10 points or need done. We'll hold नहीं मैं हर सॉरी ये हर चीज में है।
किसमें अभी तो मैं लेट कर रहा हूँ, अभी तो डायरेक्शन नहीं मिली। मैं दो की वजह से काट लिया।
नैस्डैक में करना है तो ये ऊपर जाएगी जितने बनाने वाले अभी ये मेरे 300 बन चुके हैं।
अभी मेरा कोई फायदा नहीं।
हाँ रोक ले
अभी जाएगी ऊपर।
अभी मेरा कोई फायदा नहीं हुआ। अभी मेरा ये है बस दो और असर का इंतजार है कि वो क्या कर।
जिसको भी बनाना है बोलो नैस्डैक में भी जंप कर दो, ये भी ऊपर जा रही है 340 380 400।
वेट करें, पीपी को टेस्ट करने आई है
पीपी को टेस्ट करोगी नहीं, मगर अभी पीपी को क्रॉस करोगी सर।
All right, guys, we are getting ready for a 10 o'clock news.
600.
One more time, NASDAQ wants to go from R1 to S1, back to R1. It's at PP. News is bad. Let's see.
अब ये 700 सर, ये अभी जाएगी, जिसको लेना है भी लेना, मगर मैं निकल रहा हूँ। न्यूज़ है ना,
बहुत बड़ी
न्यूज़ है ना, तो ये ऊपर जाएगा,
ऊपर जाए नीचे जाए, न्यूज में ना मेजॉरिटी लोग
न्यूज़ है ना 10 बजे ऊपर जाएगा। ये भी प्रेडिक्शन है मेरी, देखते हैं।
Let's I honestly don't care.
कुछ भी हो सकता है।
वो आगे जी, नीचे आगे 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 आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ।
पता था कि अभी नहीं है, फिर ऊपर जाएगी अभी ऊपर ही।
All right, guys, 2 minutes to the news. So go micros if you're doing even news trading. Things could rapidly change. 2 minutes to the news. Be ready. Come on, come on. Everybody happy? Look at the craziness. Boom, boom. About 60-minute mid-band, 30-minute mid-band. Testing, testing, testing. So wait. All right, let me see the news. News is here. I'm not in any trade whatsoever. Purdy is done from the area. Forex Factory. Let's look at so ISM prices. So it's very close to what they were expecting. So still below 50. So it's not a good news. Above 50 is good. Below 50 is not. ISM prices are down. Let me double check. नहीं वो थोड़ा सा क्योंकि ना वो जो एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे ना उतना ही आया आपको बहुत बड़ा नहीं है. All right, so we're done now. Now let me send some. Okay. Okay, so it's kind of stuck at PP at the moment. So wait for the price to go at least 24,920 or so. It's testing pivot. So PP is having hard time to break. Let's look at where is Russell and where is everything else. Give me a second. Let me look at night's highs and lows. So let me just look at one more thing. What is
400, 500.
किधर? हाँ जी जाए जाए जिधर मर्जी जाए जी हमारा तो कोई मसला ही नहीं है. पूरी दुनिया आपको सुन के ट्रेड डाल देगी, थोड़ा सा रुकिएगा, वो कहेंगे ऊपर जाएगी नीचे जाएगी। तो
नहीं ये लिख के दे रहा हूँ मैं।
नहीं बेशक लिख के दें, आप आ जाएं इधर, लाइव स्ट्रीम पे डाल देते हैं आपको, आप लाइव स्ट्रीम शुरू कर दें ताकि इतना
500 600 होने वाला है।
All right, testing R1 again. Let's see.
बना भी लगा के खुल जाए वो अभी जाएगी ऊपर।
I'm like 900 baht.
Personally, I'm going with expected high, guys. I'm not shorting anything before getting to art like 920 or at least little higher. So waiting high to go low is the plan. So waiting. Focusing on other markets. Let's see. Since R1 is done, boxes are done over there, R2 is done. So all right, tested R1 again. I'm not in any trade. FTMO, today's trade is done. Yeah, and that's night session high. Yes, it's there, but let me get the exact night highs. So high is 876. So maybe the upper range could work, but since right now it needs to see, you have a lower high, lower low, maybe another lower high. It should go towards down. Personally speaking, should go down. I'm done my Purdius target, which is a daily $200. और आपको कोई मौका नहीं मिल रहा आप
मार्केट is above PP.
हाँ
Market
नहीं अभी so Mr. Avas here is doing, for those that listen to Mr. Avas, he is waiting for the markets to get synced, because he's right. You have, where are we? We have Russell at R2, we have Dow at R2, we have ES at R1, we have Nasdaq at below R1. So markets are slightly confused. So, and he only takes one or two trades a day. So, and that's why his thing is more than 95% winning ratio, right? So he doesn't want to mess up his track record. So he's not going to So price did go touch 820 and then shot back up. Here it came to the mid band, shot back up. So just patiently sit in those zone. All right, somewhere 24, 950, 960, below 975, because our 240 lower high is at 975. You have to understand on 240, there's no black candle to the upside yet, because 240 candles or 4 need to close above. And it's not good because you have a lower high. So it needs to go to, if I was to buy today, I would buy somewhere around 350. I'd tell you that, 370. So 24,370 is a good, because it will do two things. It will make a lower low on the thing, and because we don't have a black candle to the upside on 240. So trend is still hasn't changed to the upside yet on 240. Because at 12 o'clock we'll figure out the next candle, and if it, because you have four candle, you have a higher low at 24,633. Then you have a one candle, two, and third. So fourth candle needs to close above on 240 before I make a black candle. So saying that, I think I'm going to adjust my entry to somewhere 370. 370 seems like a good number. 370, 380.
सर अभी ले लें
So let me send the free alerts to groups who's looking for some free alerts. Give me a second. Okay. 20, short or 3. So 24. Yeah. Even R2 is going to have a hard time, but if it goes there, I doubt it will go there. So I'm only send to R3, 940. Okay, let's do 920 to 950 to be exact. Because I look at where the orders are sitting. Just give me 1 second. Let me get a confirmation where majority of people are sitting.
मैं बैठा हूँ यहाँ पे बड़े ऊपर करने का
हैं?
मेजॉरिटी ऊपर की है
बेशक सर, हम में कह रही है कोई नहीं, आप जो मर्जी कहते रहे। कल को इनको लाइव स्ट्रीम दे जी, तो कई जा रहे हैं, ऊपर जा रही है नीचे। आई नो, पता नहीं आते हैं, पता नहीं क्यों है। 6 महीने बाद देखता हूँ।
ये साल के बाद आ जाए तो बड़ी बात। उस दिन हम दोनों यहाँ बैठे हुए, ओए होए होए, जो हमने याद है
लेकिन प्रॉब्लम ये कि अलोंग द स्ट्रीम इतनी रैपिड तो नहीं ट्रेड कर पाएंगे ना लोग, वो तो हाँ लाइव स्ट्रीम करें, या तो आपकी
आप सिग्नल दें,
या तो आपकी वजह से लोगों के अकाउंट जाएंगे क्योंकि ये नैस्डैक वाले हैं, फुल लॉट वाले हैं। ये तो उससे कम काम, आई नो लाइव करते हैं, तो that's a little bit too steep for our audience. Let's see where the users are sitting. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let me close this. So 24,950. Let me double check. 24,009. It's not going there yet. Let me add the options to go 2,000 levels. Slightly up. 24,000. Yep, almost 70 people, 70, so 49. So let's go put 24,000. 24,949 or 3.
कैंसिल करना है।
24,949 and 370 for extreme low. 370. R4. Let's see.
Wow, cover.
Press 949 and 370. Let's see if it tests 841 again. Upper range of R1.
ऐसा जबरदस्त जाती है देखेंगे।
Testing one more time.
आप गोल्ड में करते हैं इससे नेट किसी में भी
अवैस भाई सिर्फ वेट करते हैं और कुछ नहीं। हाँ
मतलब उसी में तो मजा आता है जितना मैं 9:30 पे शुरू कर देता हूँ उसी में तो पैसे बनते हैं। ओह यस उसी में तो इतनी तेजी से पैसे बनते ही या निकलते हैं।
ये सच्ची तो गैम्बल हो गया ना यार।
नहीं पता है ना
नहीं वो तो आपका एक्सपीरियंस है 10 साल का। मैं आपको नहीं कह रहा, मैं कह रहा हूँ बिगिनर्स को तो हम प्रॉपरली लेके चलना है। Gold doesn't want to break 3,900. It's having a little bit of a struggle. तो आप वापस देने शुरू हो गए हैं या अभी बना ही रहेंगे? नहीं ठीक है, नहीं ज्यादा ना, मैंने के टारगेट से ज्यादा ना कि नहीं बेशक जाए सर। मैं ये कह रहा हूँ रुक जाना ना बाबा जी।
400 हो गए ऊपर जाएगा भी जैसे ही नीचे जाएगा मैं बता दूंगा। ये 500 हो गए।
841 tested second column.
बस मैं अब निकल रहा हूँ।
अब निकल हाँ
मगर ये जाएगी अभी भी मगर ये कि मुझे नहीं करना अभी बस ऐसे काफी कर लिया मैंने। अब मैं शट डाउन।
All right, so testing 844, the R1 upper range. 949. You still have lots of अभी तो R2 cross होनी है upper band 920. Lots of things to worry for.
दुकान बंद
शुक्र है बंद कर क्योंकि आप कौन सा काम इतनी जल्दी देते हैं।
आप लोगों ने तो ये सॉफ्टवेयर माशाल्लाह से बना है उधम, मगर इसको सीखने में मुझे बहुत साल लगे। इसको मैं
नहीं, लेकिन मैं आपको ये बताऊं, फंडेड ना हो तो बंदा एक्सपेरिमेंट नहीं कर सकता। लाइव में कितना करेगा, एक दो थोड़ा थोड़ा, है ना।
पता नहीं कितने ब्लो आउट किए।
हाँ, तो लो जी।
मगर वो जब तक आप अपने नहीं लगी हो,
breaks,
आप नहीं समझ में आएगा, वो दर्द नहीं समझ में आएगा।
we are in R2 one more time.
देखिए मार्केट जो है ना ओवैस भाई, वो सीढ़ियों की तरह मगर जा ऊपर रही है, मगर जा रही है, मगर लोगों को समझ
स्टेप लगा के।
हाँ, वो ये समझते हैं कि वो नीचे जा रही है।
All right, we're inside R2. Let's see if it attempts for the first time R2.
हिम्मत चाहिए इसके लिए, इसलिए कि नैस्डैक चलती इतनी तेज है कि आप सोच भी नहीं सकते। यूं 400 यूं जाते हैं, 800 यूं आते हैं।
ऐसा ही है ना जी, ऐसा ही।
अगर आप वो देखोगे तो फिर 2000 बन जाते हैं। मगर नो डाउट बेहतरीन सॉफ्टवेयर है माशाल्लाह।
All right, officially R2 is about to be done. Let's see if it makes it slightly higher, goes inside R2. Does it give us anything? So,
और एक और खास बात, मैंने कभी जिंदगी में एरियाज नहीं देखे। मैं अपनी मेरी
आप चार्ट से कर रहे हैं?
चार्ट से कोई एरिया नहीं, कोई कुछ नहीं।
So for our area is done. R2 is सिर्फ एक ना गाइडेंस मिल जाती है कहाँ तक ट्रेड में बैठ सकते हैं,
सही बात,
सिर्फ उसकी, और तो कुछ नहीं होती। अब देखें हमारा एरिया था कि अगर किसी ने निकलना है तो 861 पे आ गया जी। वी आर इनसाइड R2 ऑफिशियली। लेट्स सी, वेट। बोथ मार्केट्स आर सिंक।
एक और वैसे एक बात बताऊं, अगर सारा दिन में मार्केट एक अपनी बता रहा हूँ नीचे जा रही है, वो वापस ऊपर आ रही है 4 पे था, देखो ना अगर दूसरी तरफ जा रही है रिवर्स हो रही है 100%। मतलब अभी देख लो ऊपर गई है ना, वो नीचे गई तो ऊपर।
All right, 73,
Yeah.
newer high, 76, 78, we are at the upper level.
अच्छा मुझे याद है जब आप 2017 में आप पाकिस्तान जा रहे थे, वहां से आप बोल रहे थे मैं मूव हो रहा हूँ उधर से करूँगा ट्रेड, ये नहीं कोई और होगा फिर
Upper range is tested, or 24,880.
तौसीफ साहब बहुत सारे थे यार।
Upper range of 880. So there you go. Somebody, if anybody took 880, you're done. You're 10 points from there. 24,881. And the low today, it went to 24,725. Hello, sir.
I'll talk to you when you have a minute.
Sure. After the stream. Okay.
What time?
11 o'clock. Yeah. So if you're done your trade from 880, you're done. Because 880 gave you guys 10 points. R2 upper range. 24,7. What was the low today morning? 24,726. Sorry guys, I don't trade like him. 24,726. Not a gambler. Okay, let's see. 10 points done from. It's 873.
नया अकाउंट आपको ना आगे स्टार्ट करें वो 125
Art 1, so 881. So upper range is done from R2. I'm not trading right now. FTMO took some. Let's see. See, government is shut down and market is going up. Isn't that exciting? News is bad and market is going up. Beautiful. That's now you get to see the manipulation truly in person. Last time government was shut down, one day it's gonna go, one day it's gonna not go. So let's do my consistent days of this. October 1st. Back to 880, upper range. $10.30, half an hour candle is gonna start soon. Crude oil, anybody trading crude oil, they're waiting for the inventories, 882, 884. So 920 looks good, but I still would like to do it at 975. Sorry, 949. Little bit inside the area. Done हो गया वो तो ਤੁਹਾਡੀ स्पीच ਦੇ ਦੌਰਾਨ ਹੀ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ R1 ਤੋਂ ਬਸ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਨਾ excitement ਹੋ Good. Let's see now. 85, 84. Come on, pull up. 13 gold got to 39.01. Finally, gold did a break, and ESS. All right, somebody took 10 points. Congratulations. The previous high is 975. It still has 100 points from here. $9,891. Let's see. Pushing it up 2 minutes to the next candle, and price is very soon hitting expected high. I'm done my consistency days, and per dia. So $1,700 is done. Let's take a look at what's happened. October 1st. $70. No, we sit and wait. 893. Let's see which way it got to go next. You 893, 30-minute candle opened up. So went from S1 to above R2. At least it has stopped climbing. Gold is 3903. Okay. I'm going 949. I am going. Why 949? Again, lots of orders are sitting there, guys. If I go back to my order looking, so if I see, if you can see the live stream, I am on. If I go to 950, quite a few, a big chunk is sitting there. 71 orders are sitting at 950, 950, 50. Yeah, so 949 is okay. And 370, let's come down. That's far though. That is far, but that may not happen. Because users say, well, you're giving numbers that rarely come. At least we want to go, at least pick one direction that could come. So, look how fast. दिया कुछ
25,000
है
25,000
25,000 थोड़ा ज्यादा कंजर्वेटिव नहीं हो गए ज्यादा दूर नहीं बैठ गए मैं ले
3 है till yesterday high
नहीं देखें
can go against
देखें
50 points
नहीं 24,975 है ना पिछला हाई
by
अब
45
नहीं नहीं वो तो कल का है ना
तो 913 है
नहीं
24 913
नहीं आई अंडरस्टैंड बट मेरा कहने का मकसद ये है कि आप 25 का वेट कर रहे हैं मैं 950
निंजा का जो 25,000 है ना वो R2
वो ठीक है लेकिन 25,027 ऑल टाइम है ना तो
का एक्सपेक्टेड हाई जो सबसे हाई
हाँ
वो
उनका R2 हाँ
आपका जो सबसे जो उसी प्राइस पे R2 निंजा का
ओके
तो वो दोनों कंफर्म हो गया ना 100%।
लेकिन उससे पहले अगर कुछ छोटे पॉइंट लेने हैं ना 25 पे तो बनेंगे 25 पे तो बन जाएंगे लेकिन अगर थोड़े से 10 15 20 पॉइंट लेने हैं ना तो 24,950 पे बहुत बंदा बैठा है ऑर्डर लगा हुआ है
क्योंकि 1930 समटाइम
हाँ
मैं यही सोच रहा था लेकिन अंडर 10%।
वो
लेकिन
ये
950 भी अच्छा।
950 क्योंकि रीजन ये है क्योंकि 950 और 25,000 के दरमियान 975 है
हाँ जी,
जो
वो
पीछे बैठा हुआ है
अभी
वो लोअर हाई बना के बैठा राइट सो फॉर मी 950 पे मैं रिस्क ले सकता हूँ कपल ऑफ माइक्रो से अगर मेरे अगेंस्ट गई तो बैठ जाएंगे हाँ फिर तो एवरेज कर लेंगे ना 2 माइक्रो से एंटर करेंगे
25,000 above नहीं जाएगी।
नहीं अबव तो मुश्किल है क्योंकि ये भी नहीं तोड़ रहा 6750 सिर्फ गोल्ड नया हाई लगाई जा रहा है ये गोल्ड पीछे लाइन देखें कितनी बड़ी वो देखें एक ही सिंगल लाइन डेली में उतर ही नहीं रही
गोल्ड इज
5,000 पे जाएगा
फिर ऊपर जा रहा है, फिर ऊपर जा रहा है।
जाने दे 30 मिनट कैंडल जो है
उसको पीपी भी आना चाहिए, पीपी भी आएंगे होगी।
So Happy is on Zoom today, not on live. 896, 97, 90.
ऊपर जा रहा है, गोल्ड भी ऊपर जा रहा है, गोल्ड तो भाई मचा रही है।
You do have to realize price has to come down because it's creating a divergence. If it breaks 875 or what's the number? Previous high is 913. So 913, if it breaks, it will start to make a higher high. But look at that. $903. Let's see if it breaks $913.
वैस भाई
फिर ना खोल लीजिएगा लेफ्ट
मैं सोच रहा हूँ
देखा ना वो लो जी
नहीं मैं ऐसे ही
नहीं ऐसे ही बंदा
बताने के लिए कुछ सीखते ही है ना
नहीं सर क्योंकि वो फिर जैसे ही लैपटॉप खुलती है बंदे का फिर एड्रेलिन रश शुरू हो जाता है
ये वाकई में ये नशा है
Yes. All right, we're in an expected high 910. Previous 60 minute, it's about to break 911. Three, four, five. 2, 3, 4. Went to 912. Did not break previous 60-minute high. Our expected high is done.
पहले वाला वक्त कितना मुश्किल था कोई फंडेड अकाउंट नहीं था कुछ भी नहीं था जीएफएफ अपना था है रियल मनी थी है अब कितने फंडेड अकाउंट $100 में आपका काम हो जाता है जितने ब्लो आउट
Now the expected high be done होगी officially ES की. If you took ES, you're kind of done a couple of points from here. Nasdaq.
कहाँ ऊपर से ऊपर चली जाती है
एक्सपेक्टेड हाई से थोड़ा सा पीछे मैंने दे रहा हूँ 24,950 वो दे रहे हैं 25,000 तो तकरीबन इतना फर्क नहीं है
हमने बोल दिया था नैसडेक ऊपर जाएगी आपको
सर मैं
आप अपने उसके हिसाब से मैं अपने दिमाग के इस चार्ट
आई नो लेकिन स्ट्रीम करें मैं ये कह रहा हूँ रोज पे आके स्ट्रीम करें आ जाए करें कैमरा लगाएं ताकि बाकियों का भी हेल्प हो जाए ना
अरे वो तो हकीकत है
All right. So it did not break 913 because that was the previous high. Still is a lower high because previous 60-minute was 913. So it touched 912. But expected high on ES is done. So if you have taken expected high on ES, you're done. 30-20 is overbought.
अपना 2 माइक्रो लेके बैठ जाए और
हाँ।
सुकून से बोलो कि जाने दो।
Exactly, sir. 2 माइक्रो की
2
कितना?
माइक्रो में भी आपके 500-800 बन जाएंगे।
Yes, yes, 100%.
जितनी ऊपर जानी थी ना, जो पता चल रहा था कि ये बहुत ऊपर जाएगी, तो देख रहे हैं कहाँ 25,000 में पहुंच गई।
सर ऑल टाइम वो देखें पीछे नंबर कहाँ चले गए, ऑल टाइम हाई 25। वो गोल्ड देखें सर, गोल्ड अभी इसने 950 टच करना है।
900 ज्यादा, हाँ ठीक,
950 तक का मेरा गेस। Because moving averages are not going on 60 minutes at all. So 60 minute is still. Yeah, you can come on in. It's okay. आज अच्छा ठीक है।
चार्ट वार्ट भी हम खुद ही फिक्स करते
ओ सर सब अब तो
हैं, इसी में सारा कुछ पहले हो जाता, अभी भी हो जाता है कभी कभार।
वो देखें कि स्पीड से आई है, आ गई आ गई आ गई आ गई आ गई।
थोड़ी सी
जिधर मर्जी जाए मेरी तरफ से एक्सपेक्टेड हाई डन हो गया बस। मुझे ये था और मेरा एरिया डन हो गया एक्सपेक्टेड हाई। दैट्स ऑल आई केयर्ड अबाउट।
उसको इतना मौका ही नहीं दे रही कि बहुत नीचे जा रही है, थोड़ा सा नीचे जाती है बस, जितनी सीढ़ियां हैं बस शू फिर ऊपर हो।
में गिरती है फिर रुक जाती है, गिरती है रुक जाती है। 912 से now testing mid-band. So if you took expected high on ES, you're done. And those areas were given to you 845, guys. Let me post my results on this Perdia. Because Perdia I'm taking slow. अब तो एक इतनी जबरदस्त फंडेड कंपनी आ गई है, पर्डिया कैपिटल।
ये तो पर्डिया भी तो है।
हाँ पर्डिया है ना, ठीक है, ताकि उसमें वो स्टेज
लिया था ना कितने का, 799 का लिया
अब वो
था।
प्राइस 630 की लगेगी।
अच्छा 630।
तो उसमें ये फायदा है कि मुझे आपको बताया था कि डायरेक्ट जाएंगे।
हाँ वो तो डायरेक्ट ही था, वो 3000 बनाना।
हाँ 3000
उसके बाद आपके
अब उन्होंने एक चीज और अच्छी, एक तो प्राइस 635 आ गई, दूसरी एक अच्छी चीज की है कि आपके पास अकाउंट 3 करते हैं। तो अब आप पहले देखें ना, पहले लोग कहते हैं यार एक ही अकाउंट, अब कॉपी भी हो जाते हैं।
तो मतलब ये पर्डिया से ये सबसे बेस्ट ये की है
टेक प्रॉफिट इससे अच्छे नहीं।
20 अकाउंट कितने?
नहीं 5
5
टेक बिगिनर्स को दे रहा हूँ बुलनॉक्स, 11 अकाउंट दे रहा हूँ, उसके ऊपर आ रहा हूँ टेक प्रॉफिट, उसके ऊपर पर्डिया। ये 3 टॉप जो है ना सही चल रहा है।
सबसे टॉप पे कौन है?
पर्डिया कॉस्ट टू मार्जिन रेशो $630 में 3000 दे रहा है। ठीक है ना, जो आपका रियल पैसा है वो तो 3000 ही है ना। 3 तो
नहीं पर्डिया तो बेहतरीन है।
हेलो जी,
हेलो सर, कैसे बस ठीक ठाक चला क्या? हाँ सब
हाँ सब पार्ट हो गया। वैसे भाई वेट कर रहे हैं कि क्या कहाँ हाथ डालूं मैं मार्केट में। देखिए वो अपोजिट है ना, देखिए आप बैठे हैं 9:30 से 11 हो गया, एक ट्रेड नहीं डाला, बंदा गुस्सा नहीं हो जाता, बता कहता यार उन्होंने 6 ट्रेड डाल के 600 निकाल भी लिए। नहीं नहीं, ऐसे तो देखिए, एक बात ये कि वो स्कैल्पर्स है ना, तो आपकी तबीयत नहीं है, ठीक है। मैंने उनसे कहा आपने करना है आके लाइव स्ट्रीम कर लो यार, क्योंकि अकेले खुद करना डिफरेंट होता है 500 बंदों को ट्रेड कर।
अच्छा, स्कैल्पिंग जो होती है ना, वो तो दूसरों को बता नहीं सकते ना।
नहीं नहीं, क्योंकि वो अपनी फीलिंग पे जाती है ना कि यार आपको लग रहा है कि यहाँ से जाएगी, तो
वही रिस्क है ना। वो वैसे भी दूसरों को बताया नहीं सकता ना कि आप बाइंग करो, आप सेल करो, एकदम बता नहीं सकते। वो तो बस लगा लो। कई लोग ब्लैक बारो करते हैं, कई लोग बैकग्राउंड कलर करते हैं, बस मिड बैंड को।
अपडेट क्यों नहीं हो रहा? एक दो तीन चार 5 दिन हो गए, कंसिस्टेंसी इज डन नाउ। दैट्स $1,700 done out of 3,000. That's a good thing. 6 days are done. Now I can play a little aggressive. Yes, boss. आ जाएं, बैठें.
Hey,
How can I help?
yeah, we were talking about a funded account,
Yes.
and so you're the specialized guy.
I am the person who's kind of gone through everything. Have a seat. I'll explain you how they work. नहीं बोर्ड थे. साडा काम बोर्ड थे. All right. So my question to you is, are you comfortable trading now?
Yes.
Okay,
Been
good.
doing it for 3
So
months
you
now,
can,
so
okay,
I'm
so
on something.
oh, very good. So that's the key thing, right? So his idea is to make sure you're successful, right?
Yeah.
So, and in that case, we are going to give me a second. Anil bhai, give me. Where are we? 890. Back to that zone. 30.
Now gold is running.
Gold किधर गया जी?
Gold
नीचे?
is running. Keep down running.
मिस हो गया.
चलो अभी गोल्ड ही देखता हूँ मैं आपको बता.
अब होता.
Should go down. Made me sick last 2 months.
Made you sick last 2 months. That's funny. Look how fast this one.
मुझे मजा आता है ये
नेस्टर देखें, जिसके जिस्म में नेस्टैक घुस जाए ना, वायरस की तरह, कोविड की तरह, फिर उसको वैक्सीन, नेस्टैक सिर्फ हम मर के ही छोड़ेंगे. नेस्टैक नहीं छोड़, आप सारी हैबिट छोड़ देंगे, नेस्टैक नहीं छोड़ेंगे.
बिल्कुल गोल्ड तो बिल्कुल दिखा रहा है, बेहतरीन नीचे, अभी और नीचे जा रहा है.
No. So now that you are comfortable at trading futures for about a month, 2 months.
गोल्ड फिर उसके बाद
Okay. Try to get a marker. We're going to put you in a company called Bullnox. It will cost you $16. Okay? I'll give you two options. Actually, yeah, two. I can give you three, but or a company called Take Profit will cost you $90. Okay? So I'll give you all options, or a company called Perdia Capital, which will cost you $636. So these are the three top companies, prop firms that allow you to take a bit of risk and money and everything without putting your money in. Okay. So let me see. I have a marker here. That's a little better. Okay. What's the goal? For these two. Okay. Goal is your account will be open with 50,000 and you'll be given a buffer of $2,500. Got it? So now what do you have to complete this? You have to turn this into 53,000 plus or anything and make sure you don't go to zero. You have 30 days. So October 1st to November 1st, doesn't matter which one. This one, you have 90 days because the money is more. So however you do it, October 1st to November 1st, you have 30 days to complete this target. What is the target? Make $3,000. Okay?
That's for the month.
In that 1 month. So, number two, max loss is 2,500 in this company, and this one is 2,000.
Per month.
None per month.
No.
It's one time. You lose 2,500, your account is blown. Now today you have few options, or you can go put your own money. There's nothing like this. But in order to get $3,000 or 2,500, you need to put in the real money, right? If that's real money for you. I don't recommend you to do this at all because you're still new here and you're still, so the way idea is Bullnox, $16, use code, start trading. That's it. This Take Profit is a little bit better but I don't recommend for beginners. I want you to do it after, right? And then Perdia Capital is these have two stages. So there are two stages. There's one stage and there's zero stage. There's nothing. That's your money. Two stages means you have to complete this twice. Round two has a different requirement. Round one has a different requirement. Round one has a requirement, turn 50,000 into 53,000. Round two, third rule is you have 30 days. Number four, 5 o'clock or 4:59, please close the trade. Closing. Number five, most important, there's a word called live trailing threshold. You have to truly understand what this means. Doesn't matter which funded companies you go, if you see something called two stages and it has live trailing threshold, you need to truly understand how it works. Why? You will get yourself in a lot of trouble if you don't. Meaning, how are you trading right now? ES? Which method? Area, midband, box? Midband trade. Let's say you take $150 loss. What's your deep max loss you take? $200? $200. Because $200 you took a loss here, mid-band failed. Of course, you took a $200 down from your threshold. Now this target is fixed. So I will write the word fixed, meaning this doesn't change. Doesn't matter how much you can lose like 2,200, but still you gotta climb up. Here, if you get to zero, account is gone, meaning you have lost $16, meaning you're not ready, right? Now what's the thing? You make $200. How much money you make per trade? About $200, or
Yeah, what I do for now, I kind of stick to 100 to
100.
$150.
Okay, 3 points. 3 points, right? So you took a $150 profit. They added 150 back to your threshold. You took another $150 profit, but remember, they will only give you 50 because this is maxed.
Yeah.
So this is max. Okay. Where most people fail. Until that, this looks good, right? Now here's your trade. Mid band is sitting at 67.00. You took a trade, and the price went to 67.03. Okay. You took a trade, price went up. How much profit do you have? $150. You did not close this trade for whatever reason, right? You didn't close it. Price came down, and you closed it at 67.00 at break even. You're like, it's coming down at least. You know how they will write this ledger? Zero, because you got $0. It's not 10, just plus zero, but take away $150 from your threshold. That's the problem. Because you did not take a profit. So they're giving you a bit of a penalty of not locking in your profit. So just be careful.
But that's if you're going to trade. I mean, if you go to trade, then
Yeah, but sometimes, like, so this is just to be aware of. Yeah, that how it works. Perdia Capital doesn't have this rule because it's a one-stage company. For $636, they're giving you $3,000 of value. So that's like what, 4 times more your money. So if you lost 3,000, you have lost $700 on your side. Remember, it's 3,000 US, right? So some people like this, some like this, some like this, and some like he doesn't care. He likes his own money. Two opposing personalities sitting in my room. 9:30 to 11, zero trade. Why? He waits. 9:30 to 11, $800 because he jumps from trade to. So cheetah style of trading, crocodile, two grand, $2,000. He doesn't care. Both don't interfere in each other, but he's like going up, I'm going up. He's like, no, I'm gonna wait.
He said, okay, gold, I'm still making gold.
वो देखे मैंने कहा ना नशा है $500 बन गए थे तो कह रहे थे मैं कंप्यूटर बंद कर दिया है नशा है भाई नशा है
नहीं उससे वो तो बंद नहीं उस टाइम 1500 से ऊपर बना
आई नो वो बंद कर दिया फिर वो उस कमरे से होके आए फिर कुछ हुआ फिर कंप्यूटर खोल लिया तो ये बिल्कुल जो हमारे बैलेंस के दोनों एंड पे हैं वो ट्रेड ही नहीं कर रहे वो कर रहे हैं तो वो शायद हफ्ता ट्रेड ना करें यू अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी राइट ओके सॉरी so two opposing at one end of the spectrum is Mr. Abbas. He's on the other Kamran, sorry naam bhul gaya. So in his case हाँ जी लाइव तो है लाइव तो है नो प्रॉब्लम हमारे मैं आई एम जस्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग टू हिम सर आप देखें Yeah, the idea is, well, I was just explaining him Perdia Capital and the Bull Knox and 3 top, $16, turn this into this, don't turn 5 rules, make 3,000 maximum 30 days, 459 and live trailing threshold is enter, exit, that's it. So if you were...
So if you make that, you make it for a month, so what could you draw out of it?
No, zero. This is a practice account, round 1. You don't make any money in this round. Because for $16, nobody in the world is going to give you any money. So number one, this is just a practicing getting your feet wet before you start swimming with sharks, right? Not in the ocean. You're gonna be swimming.
This is shark.
Yes. So before you start swimming in sharks,
You've been eaten.
It's
or
your
done.
bite. Your
they'll rip you apart in a second, right? So that's what I was explaining. Sorry, I switched the language.
I've been doing it for 3 months. I moved like $500 in one shot.
Yeah, of course, blink
So
of
I
an
know what it is.
Yes,
I
so-
know, like,
Good.
if you don't set up your stop loss, like boom,
Correct.
pull back.
correct.
$200.
Yes,
What time you are here?
I'm here at 2 बजे.
2 बजे?
हाँ,
1 बजे मुझे आपको वो सेटअप चाहिए।
ठीक है। वो आप फाइल डाउनलोड कर लिए ना अब
नहीं, मैंने किया।
अच्छा वो अच्छा व्हाट्सएप से जाके ना मुझे लिंक वो डाउनलोड कर लें
That's it.
दैट्स इट ताकि
आ
आपके
जाता हूँ।
आपके कंप्यूटर पे वो डाउनलोड कर लें और ट्राई करें वो 5 स्टेप्स करने के
Okay.
अगर ना हुआ तो मैं इधर ही हूँ
चलेगा।
नो प्रॉब्लम
मैं बोला
हाँ
तो चलता।
क्योंकि वो मैंने पूरी इंस्ट्रक्शन डेटा के साथ भेजी हाँ अगर कोई मसला हुआ मुझे बताइए
ठीक है।
नो प्रॉब्लम
Basically, you say,
Yes.
after you finish this.
Yes, so
this
you
step-
go into a test number 1. This is called 2 stages.
Right,
You go into another stage.
right.
So then you go from there.
Okay.
Yeah, that's how it works.
So when you go from there, when you finish from this, then
Yeah.
you start to fund your own account. with your
No,
own
no, no,
money.
no, no. It still belongs to Bullocks, but they will give you an account.
Uh-huh.
That's round 2 is real money.
Okay.
So how much is round 2? You're gonna pay $150. And then they're gonna put in $2,500 for you, right? But then the round 2 has a different criteria.
Right.
अब देखे ना प्रॉब्लम पता क्या हो रहा है आपकी वजह से उनका गलत ट्रेड लग जाना है
820, 840.
ओ यार खुदा दे वास्ते भाईजान ना तंग करे वो ना ਤੁਹਾਡੇ वजह ना होता ट्रेड अब देखो कितना 2700 हो गया टोटल टच वुड दैट्स इट क्योंकि मसला ये है कि two opposing personality I was saying until 11 he hasn't taken a trade. He has taken $2,700 out of the market. 2 different sharks, cheetah method, crocodile method, right? But he jumping based on charts and his style.
He said, the gold is going down. He said, we can check the gold. I never checked the gold before.
Yeah.
Because I work with only NASDAQ. That's I like that.
He trades NASDAQ, the highest market, riskiest fastest market, was more exciting. He was done literally at 940, 950 we have done that, right? So this is second time.
He's not a risk taker. So
It's okay, 2 different. But what I'm saying is the second time he has turned off the laptop, right? So remember. So what will happen?
Because of that, because I'm not making more money or not losing.
Yeah.
you
So
just spotted the guy.
yeah, but he called it about 20 minutes ago too. That I'm done for the day. He opened. Anyway, that's his style. Whatever. Like I'm waiting for this number to go to 949. Let's see if it hits 949. We're inside the area, guys, of expected high now. So your risk begins. It's up to you. You want to do micros, minis, whatever you want to do.
So if you use your own money, what's the minimum you start with?
At least 3,000, 2,500. And before, like on his website, he says 5 grand.
Yeah.
So
So the one we trading with right now, you could start with a minimum of 2,000.
तो वैसे आपके पास
No.
funded है?
yeah, सारे funded हैं. हर
Credit है?
sorry, say that again.
So with this one we're doing right now, the minimum you could start with is 2,500.
अरे,
Your own money?
Yeah.
5 grand. At least 5 grand. Put it in. Yeah.
Okay.
Then it's risk though. Why?
No, just
No, but why don't you test your skills for $16?
test your skills, make sure you're constant.
शुरू में बताया था कि NASDAQ पर ही जाना।
And then,
अभी देख लें NASDAQ बिल्कुल ही
so
top
how
है।
long you get to use it? Like how long you test it for? 1 month?
1 month. No, you can buy, you can keep, but they keep charging you this much money. 16 plus 16 plus
$16 Canadian.
US. Everything is US.
$16 में एक अकाउंट
एक अकाउंट मिल रहा है यार इतना सस्ता हो गया 16
उसमें कितने थ्रेशोल्ड कितना
2500
तो बहुत सस्ता है।
और क्या सर
और इसका पे आउट कब है
पे आउट है राउंड 2 में 4100 बनाना है राउंड 2 में ज्यादा है
और 16 में कितना अकाउंट ले सकते हैं
11 अकाउंट
यार बहुत अच्छा है
और क्या चाहिए
इसमें 4100 सब में एक ही में बना ले 4100
नहीं नहीं नहीं, एक में ही बनाना है, एक में
एक में, और बाकी जो दूसरे जो उसके कॉपियर होंगे
वो भी साथ साथ बनेंगे ना, ये साथ साथ लॉस।
अच्छा, साथ साथ एक साथ ही ले लें। हाँ सही है।
यस
ये तो $16 is
यस।
very cheap.
So it got to 920 of our areas and boom.
ये तो एक दिन में बन
Boom.
जाएंगे 4100,
Boom. है?
एक दिन में बन जाएंगे।
नहीं नहीं, आपके उन्हें 10 दिन टेस्ट करना है। कामरान भाई की गैम्बलिंग को नीचे लाना। $1000।
Only $1000।
हाँ, तो 10 दिन ट्रेड करना है।
हजार की
नहीं नहीं, तो 500 का, 200 का, 400 का, लेकिन उन 10 जैसा टेक प्रॉफिट 5 दिन। So
ये
so for you it's only round one. He's talking about round, but let's get you through round one first before we get to do round two. So round one you can do in one day. If you, what he's asking is how fast can I do it? Hey, you can buy an exam at 4:45, 4:50, you're done, you pass. 5 minutes to take, but it depends on how
So
you.
which one is better, take profit or bull?
No, see, sir, take profit takes $90. You fail, you're giving away $90.
$16 is better.
16 is there, but they have a round two fee. Take profit doesn't have a round two
Oh,
fee.
yeah, it's 150.
So experienced
Same thing, yeah.
traders versus beginner trader. Beginner trader, go with bull knock, $16. A little bit experience, go with take profit. You have some money and you can trade, then go with. I don't like, if you want to put in real money, you're really excited, go this. Don't, if you're not here yet, go here. If you're not here yet, so from $16 to $636, you
Before that, I don't know that, because I go with the GFL.
Yeah.
GFL charged me a lot of money for
commissions. Yes, it's crazy.
So after that, once I know that, it's a ninja, it started, like ninja's fees is commission is very less.
Yeah. How much is the commission?
$3 per trade.
That's buy and sell.
Yes.
Yeah. So,
$3.
so
The
ninja
banks
is
charge
very
like
good.
$6, six something now, the banks charge.
Yes, yes.
But, if you go with, you take profit, bull longs, or this one, is very good. So maybe.
So that's it. My team, if you go on superareas.com, can set it all up and we can go from there.
Oh,
Yeah.
so now if I want to proceed, I
Yeah,
can
you-
go to.
No, you can open up any desk, give me the computer, I can set up your funded account in 5 minutes.
He is the master of all.
So funded accounts, I know all of them.
No, not funded, everything.
Oh, no, that's fine. No. I just read a lot. So if you took 920, I didn't. I was waiting for, but if you took 920, you're done your trades, guys. What a beautiful.
So 2,700 into 11. Think about it.
912 to.
No, this is good. The funded account is better because you can multiply by 11
Because what I do,
or you multiply by 5.
from the time I trade and I would trade my own money.
No.
I
Don't
buy
buy.
stock.
Otherwise,
No.
you are skinny, more skinny. Don't go with real money.
Not yet. Give it 3 months, man.
At least, 3 months.
You haven't seen a lot of stuff in interest rate, news rate.
What I do, I trade real stocks. Like I'll buy.
No, that's
I
fine.
I buy, whatever.
No,
That's what I started from.
But go with first 3 months.
Yeah.
Real money.
I know what you're saying.
Go with funded account is
Yeah,
better to
912.
trade, understanding and
confidence,
everything.
how-
Once understand, then go with
Yeah.
Okay, once again, it's 10.
But this software is very good.
I
Very
know.
good.
All right, somebody took 15 points.
I tested out that.
It's very good.
Using it for a long time, so.
Very good software.
Yeah,
But only you have to understand
yeah.
and practice. That's
Yeah. But that's what I do. Normally I practice in the evening, like a.
No, don't
But
do that in
we play
evening.
and
Practice in the morning time, 9 to 11.
You know what I do? Most of my trade I do before market open.
Okay, that you can do that.
I do most of my.
But if
trade
you want to
before
make
market
money,
open.
Listen, 9:30,
market open,
11.
I already make $100 before the market open.
Yeah, that's good.
Then after market open, I probably got another $50-75, and I close my computer. I'm done.
No, that's good. That's good. That
I don't
means
know.
you understand
I don't
the
know.
charts, eh?
That's what I say. If I leave today, I cut my loss and I wait tomorrow. I don't go back in to win back.
No.
If I lose a
That's
$50,
good. That's good.
I
So
close the
that's
computer,
means
I
you
got-
understand the charts. That is good.
That's what I do.
Go with funded account first. Wait 3 months, make money. Because now I'm going to, take profit, 5 account ले सकते हैं.
Yes.
Because, if you make $1,000, 5 multiply by 5, $5,000. It's good. पहले वो था ना, वो कौन सा था, एपेक्स था, क्या था, उसमें 19-20 कर सकते थे, वो खत्म है.
हाँ वो भी है, लेकिन आजकल
वो
बेटर
पैसे नहीं देते ना.
पैसे नहीं मुश्किल हो गया.
वैसे 25,000 पहुंच गया. 25 में.
नहीं अभी तो दूर है, अभी तो मैं 950
मैं 25 तक वेट करूंगा मैं. तो ऐसा नहीं है 1-2 दिन हो जाए.
नहीं वो तो हफ्ता 2 हफ्ते नहीं ट्रेड करते वो. आप जैसे एग्रेसिव नहीं है कि खोला 9:30 पे, जिस तरह वो घोड़े खुलते हैं ना सुबह 9:30 पे, तो आप रेस.
मैंने जिस वक्त कंप्यूटर खोला मैंने चार्ट देखे, अब मुझे पता चल गया कि ये
कामों में बस हो गया.
वो नहीं, इधर या उधर वाले नहीं है. नहीं
इधर या उधर नहीं, पैसे तो बनेंगे उसी में.
वो देखिए
वो इतना रिस्की नहीं है.
ये हकीकत है. आदमी कितना डाले है.
मुझे चीज चाहिए
परफेक्ट
में ही.
Rafay,
अगेन नहीं
if you have a
चाहिए.
US account,
Yeah, that's fine.
is it possible you can link it to,
बड़ा
you
कार.
can link
Yeah, but you gotta send money to, that's just a USD account, but you gotta send money to Ninja
right?
Wire, and then money comes in and out of a US account. Correct.
Yeah. Is there a way to link it?
Yeah, when you wire them, you wire the money in and out. There's no linking of it.
Okay.
If you have a bank account inside USA, yes, you can link
You
them.
can link.
But if you have RBC, Scotia, BMO, no, you can't. You have to wire in and wire out of money.
So the only way to do it is doing
Correct.
without charging fee.
wire fees, they actually charge $39-40.
Yeah, that's what I know. No, I transfer $100. That's how I know.
No, they charge you.
$40 just to transfer
But
$100.
if you have a CIBC account, maybe
I
they
have.
charge less money. Globally transferred is very less money. Yeah, very less money. Or maybe sometimes they not charge the global money.
All right,
transfer,
your
they not
inside
charge.
SRES
So go with that.
and 30/20 is a divergence.
Yeah. So there is,
Mhm.
if you go to the branch,
Yeah.
the branch tell that, I have to money in
Right.
this account.
Yes.
I don't think so they charge you.
No.
Or
I'm
you
sure
send
so.
to India, Pakistan, anywhere in the world.
Sorry,
They're not-
guys. Today I gotta run because I have to go see somebody at a radio station. So I will see you guys later. Enjoy. Take care. I'm
But
done.
that CIBC service. is
920,
very good for a long time.
75. Didn't go to 940,
From day one.
but
I've been
920
with
tested.
since
So
1990.
Oh, it's a long time, but they have very good service, global service.
Been with them long.
all right, I gotta run. Enjoy, guys, because I have to go meet somebody today.
Yeah, I open the account already.
Oh, you already
Oh
know?
yeah, I don't open the account. I don't put money inside.
Okay, that's okay. But,
I just
at
put $100 for now.
Yeah.
Just to see they come doing right. Yeah, so I
but
get
you
my
can
life
open
going,
an
right?
account Ninja anytime.
Yeah.
That's not a problem. But go
Yeah.
with funded first.
Yeah.
So you make money. At least open 5 accounts. Same if you make $100, $500. That's good.
5 accounts.
Yeah. 1990 or not too long because Rafay said, it's a piece, for after that go second
In the right round two, has
round 2 is charge, $90 or something, $100.
Mhm.
So if you take profit, it's only $90. There is no round 2 fees.
Right.
That is good. So go with $90.
Mhm.
And $90, how much the threshold?
2,000.
2,000 is good money.
But if you fail, you lose $90. That you just remember how.
He make,